JLG Industries presents the pre-start inspection on the JLG ES1330L. Before using each day, and at the beginning of each shift, you must conduct a pre-start inspection of your machine. Always refer to Section 2 of your Operation and Safety Manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The pre-start inspection should include each of the following. Check all surfaces for leaks and foreign objects. Inspect the machine structure for dents, damage, weld or parent metal cracks, or any other discrepancies. Decals and placards. Check all for cleanliness and legibility. Make sure the Operation and Safety Manual, the AEM Safety Manual, and the ANSI Manual of Responsibilities are enclosed in the weather-resistant manual storage container. Inspect the chassis, frame, pothole protection components, and ladder. Ensure they are in place, undamaged, and not bent or worn. Ensure the control console is free of visible damage and that all switches return to neutral position when activated and released. Inspect the hydraulic pump, motor, and control valve installation. Be sure there are no unsupported wires or hoses and that there are no damaged or broken wires. Check the hydraulic oil level in the pump reservoir and add as required. Check that the front wheels and tires are properly secured, and inspect steer linkage and steer cylinder for damage and corrosion. Verify the battery compartment is free of damage, with no battery corrosion, and that the connections are tight. Inspect the rear wheels and tires for wear, and ensure wheel bolts are properly secured. Visually inspect the platform manual descent, and visually inspect the beacon if it is equipped. Inspect the scissor arm stack assembly, pivot pins, slide wear pads, and lift cylinder for visible damage, leaks, and excessive wear. Inspect the platform gate and rail assembly. Check that the deck extension slides in and out and locks properly. Ensure all folding rail pins are in place and secure. Ensure that the platform control console is free of visible damage and is secure in the proper location. Check that the control levers and switches return to their neutral position when activated and released. Inspect the static strap. Check the battery and charge as required. Check the hydraulic oil level in the pump reservoir and add as required. Once you have completed the walk-around inspection, perform a function check in an area free from ground and overhead obstructions. Perform the function check as follows, beginning with the ground control panel. Ensure that the key selector switch and the platform lift switch operate properly. Verify that the pothole protection bars are fully lowered when the platform is raised. With the platform raised a few feet, ensure that the manual descent control lowers the platform. Ensure all machine functions are disabled when the emergency stop button is depressed. Next, we will check functions from the platform control console. Operate all functions from the platform control console to include lift up and down, the drive lift mode select switch, drive forward and reverse, steer right and left, and finally the horn. Ensure all machine functions stop when function control is released or when joystick trigger is released. With the platform elevated on a smooth, firm, and level surface with no overhead obstructions, drive the machine to ensure drive speed reduces from high speed to a lower speed. Finally, ensure all machine functions are disabled when the platform emergency stop button is depressed. Keep the platform gate and surrounding area clean and unobstructed. Verify that the gate closes properly and is not bent or damaged. Ensure that the lanyard attach points are undamaged and secure to the platform. This concludes the pre-start inspection on the JLG ES1330L. Let's review. All functions must operate smoothly with precise control. If the machine does not operate properly, shut down the machine immediately. Report the problem to the proper maintenance personnel and do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. Always refer to Section 2 of your Operation and Safety Manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. If you require further clarification on how to conduct a pre-start inspection of your machine, contact our Product Safety and Reliability Department at 1-877-JLG-SAFE or visit us online at jlg.com.